This is the front of the mission. It is made out of wood and mud. This is the mission San Francisco Solano. It is held together by wood, sticks, clay, and leather. Here you see the leather straps. That is what is holding all of this together. It goes all the way down there. And down there. This is the window. This is the bell that rang when I was trying to go to the mission or church. This is the cross that is on top of the mission. It stands that is a mission or a church. This is a prickly pear cactus. This is a prickly pear.
It's up like a robot.
It even has a few flowers. And also they make jelly out of the prickly pear. That is a prickly pear up close. This is the fountain where they got their water to drink. I accidentally got you in the picture. We'll just show that part out. Now, can you see that penny? See those pennies? Now, the center is a little disappointing. But that's okay. This is one of the little water spout thingies where the water would be dropped off into this little canal. And these little water thingies would make sure that the fountain would not overflow. This is a courtyard where they grew food. And this is an olive tree, which they used a tool to grind them into oil. Now these are olives. This is what they made the oil out of. As you can see, these are the cactus. The area of the cactus is closed for rehabilitation. So you can't go in there and poke yourself. This is the area where they brought in the horses from the street. This is the wood storage. This is where they store all of their wood. This is another storage room. Now, you can't see what's inside, but it's probably something very important for when they used it. This is the oven where they cook their, or either they cook their food or the blacksmith worked. This is the pot where they cook their food. And this is a barbecue where they also cook their food. This is a really heavy door made out of solid wood. Yeah.
Go.
This is the tool they used to grind olives. This is the dining room. Look how long the table is. This is the chapel. This is where the chorus would sit. This is a floor. These are some of the paintings. As you can see, this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. And it keeps going on. All the way up to number 16. This is where the preacher would sit. This is the altar. And this is where they would have their church service. I did it too hard. I did it too hard. I gotta play this over here. Where did it go? Okay, apparently my